car drivers are honking at the damn ducks. Let them be in the street in peace. They got their babies out here. This is my neighborhood park. I was just riding by on the way back from the U-Haul drop-off. It's right around the corner from my house. So nice. I rode bike infrastructure back from the U-Haul drop-off. Dedicated lanes. Just paint, but definitely prefer wide sidewalks, which there's a mix of that. But if you're gonna have painted lanes, you really need barriers to prevent the cars from, they honk at the ducks and human beings. First bike ride in Minnesota.